And out of curiosity, you know, I know obviously you don't feel like it was a loss in the Šavkat fight, but how important is it for you to get that rematch one day? Is that something that's at the back of your mind at all?
You guys know I like plans, right? You guys know I have visions in my mind. Well, let me tell you what's next. I'm going to fight the winner. I believe it's Belal. And that's nothing against Jack. I just believe stylistically Belal has what it takes to get this fight done, and quite convincingly. So I'm going to fight Belal next. I'm going to beat Belal. Belal has said it many, many times. I am the toughest opponent in the division for him. Then when Belal doesn't have the belt, there's a certain pound-for-pound number one who wants to come up, and his name is Islam Makhachev. And I have nothing but love and respect for that man and his style, and it would be an honor to share the octagon with him. I would love to go out there and prove against him in my first title defense that I'm the pound-for-pound number one. I beat him. I take that status. I win my first title defense, and then Šavkat gets the rematch. And I'm going to go out there and I am going to dismantle that man and prove that he never won that fight. And that's my next fight, 3-fight plan. That's how I see it going, and I don't want that any other way.